Like now changing the exhaust pipe of this Honda CBR. We have Jawad there, and it has like the original pipe, and it's like Honda CBR600cc, and we have like something surprise for you guys in a while, so just be patient.
I already opened the bolts from the exhaust. So basically there's one bolt here, you just have to open it up, and then there are two in the stock exhaust. There are two over here. Only thing you need is a racket spanner. You can open it very easily and it can come off. It's already off, sort of. It's not really in there. I'll try to see if you can see here the sound of this stock exhaust.
Yeah, that's what actually people want to hear. I guess a little bit more. Alright, thank you. We'll be back to be continued with the other piece which we are about to install in a while. Alright, here we go. Alright, yo!